Hello and welcome back to our AppSheet project tracking app series. As business owners, it's essential for us to have a system that not only tracks our projects, but also provides key insights into our operations. After all, understanding who is responsible for each project, the progress, and, most importantly, our profits is crucial for making informed decisions. For this reason, in this video, we are going to structure our database for our project tracking app using Google Sheets. Now, why Google Sheets? Many businesses start their project management using Google Sheets due to its accessibility and ease of use. Hence, if you already have your project data in Google Sheets, it's straightforward to transition into building your app. With that being said, let's dive right into it. We start by creating our project database with the following fields: project ID and project name for easy identification, description for a brief overview of what the project entails, assign to and lead source to track who's in charge and where the project came from, status and priority to quickly get the gist of the project's urgency and progress, start date, due date, and completion date to keep tabs on our timelines, estimated hours and actual hours to compare our planning with reality, estimated cost and actual cost to monitor the project's financial impact, and finally, revenue and profit to evaluate the project's financial success. For any additional details, we have a notes field and an attachments field for relevant documents. As you can see, I've already populated some of these fields with sample data. These entries represent the kinds of data you will be managing with your project tracking app. In the next video, we will allow AppSheet to build an initial app based on this structured data. So, remember to stay tuned for that. And as always, don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep optimizing.